Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ramp expense flows for faster reimbursements, full guide step by step clearly. To update ramp expense flows for faster reimbursements, begin by logging into your ramp account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the expense management section. Click on the expenses tab to access your current expense submissions. Review the list of pending expenses for any discrepancies. Select an expense to update. Check the details for accuracy, including date, amount, and category. Make necessary corrections by clicking on the Edit button. Ensure that all required fields are filled out correctly. Upload any supporting documents, such as receipts, if needed. Once the edits are complete, click Save Changes. Next, navigate to the workflow settings. Review the current approval workflow for your expenses. Consider if adjustments are necessary to streamline the process. If making changes, click on Edit Workflow. Reassign approvers or modify the approval sequence as needed. Save the updated workflow settings. Return to the Expenses tab to submit any pending expenses. Click on the Submit button for those expenses. Communicate with your approvers regarding the updated submissions. Encourage them to review and approve promptly. Periodically check the status of your submissions in the dashboard. Utilize reminders to follow up on any delays in approvals. By implementing these steps, you will ensure faster reimbursements through updated ramp expense flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.